I'm going to try to open up a JPEG, and I'm going to use this car as an example. And then I'm going to try to pull out just the car. So I'm going to use my Magnetic Lasso tool. So this tool is located right there on the left hand side, second one down past the pointer. And if I don't have the Magnetic Lasso tool selected, I can click on there and choose like the lasso tool or the polygonal. But I actually want the Magnetic Lasso tool, so I'm going to select it. And now I'm going to try to quickly just go around the car. And I'm not going to do it as probably as good as I should because I'm just kind of in a hurry. And I'm going to select just the points here, kind of click a couple of the spots that where I want to keep it pretty even. You see I'm kind of jumping up and down there, so that's not looking real good. I'm going to slide on across here and go to the front of the car, come down, still just pulling and dragging my mouse, my little tool across it. Sometimes I click, sometimes I don't. But I'm going to try to keep going all the way around, try to make it as smooth as possible. In real life, I'd probably take a little bit better time about making it all connect. And then I'll come back and I'll go back to the very beginning. And once I get it all connected, then you see the marching ants going around it. Now, I'm going to go back to my pointer tool. Sometimes I want to show transform controls up here at the top, and sometimes I don't. This time I just want the picture. So I'm going to take him and see, now you can see I have him selected. So now I can just copy him. Okay, I have him selected, and I can do Control C to copy, or I can do Edit and copy. Does the same thing. Now I'm going to put him on a new background, so I'm just going to go File and New. I'm going to call this one Car 2 this time. And I'm going to go to a preset size, but I'm going to do the default Photoshop size because otherwise it's going to be just as big as what I've just copied to the clipboard. I want it to be larger. And then my background, I want it to be a color. I don't want it to be just a white background. So I click OK. Now I have a new place. I may not like that red, so I can change the background color. Let's say I want to go to more of a blue tint, something a little bluer. So I'm going to change this over here. Go over here to my paint can, paint my background. It may not be the color I want anyway. I might decide to go a little greener, a little less blue. So let's try that. That's a little brighter color. So now to paste him, I can do Control V, or if I want to, I can just do paste. And there's my car. Oops, I didn't want to paint him. Undo my paint. Go back to my select tool. Pick him up and select him. I may want two cars on there, so I'll do Edit, and I'll just do Paste, and now I have two cars. This one I may want to flip on the vertical, so I do Edit, Transform, Flip Vertical, and so now I have one flipped upside down. So that's how I can move him around and get him to a new screen.